What's up, everybody? This is Mike with Middleton Motorsports. Today we have a product from Monster Hooks Incorporated. They have a soft shackle hook that is a direct bolt-on for a Ford Bronco. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and check it out. All right, let's get this unboxed. Check this out. There we go. First impression, these look way bigger than I thought they were going to be, but they look like to be really good quality. Let's open this package up a little bit more. Yeah, I mean, this definitely looks like it should be able to hold 10,000 pounds. All right, initial impressions, they look very well machined. Got a very nice smooth edge here for the soft shackles, no sharp edges. Very nice powder coat finish. These are going to look really good on the Ford Bronco. And I like this as it's direct bolt on. Just want to go over too, the main reason we are going to use these is they are a little safer, as in like, you know, like the ropes, if they do break, it's not a projectile flying at you. And then we push these Broncos to limits, we are going to get stuck. So it's a matter of when we're going to be using these. So part of that is just for safety, ease of hookup, and overall, I mean, they look better too, so. So just to demonstrate, we got a soft shackle here. Easily just slides right through here. It's got a nice taper, so it's very easy to get through. It does use up to a 9/16 inch rope, but other than that, just pull that through there like that, done. So easier, safer, quicker. Let's get these installed on the Raptor, and so we'll be able to use them in the future. All right, so each hook has 2 bolts. We're gonna take both those out. So take off the old hook, put the new one on, new soft shackle hook. Put these in 59 foot-pounds. Make sure to use some blue or red Loctite and torque to 59 foot-pounds. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, also that notification bell, so you can see these in use on our future adventures. Also, make sure to check out MiddletonMotorsports.com.